Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to today's video. How are you all doing? Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate you all. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be using bay leaf, hibiscus flower and rosemary leaf to make this powerful hair spray that will help in thickening your hair. You're having split ends, you're having dandruff, you're having thinning hair, like you feel your hair is just at one particular length, then you really need to combine these three ingredients together and spray it every day for extreme hair growth. And do not wash this treatment out, leave it on your hair till as long as you want, because it is going to do so well on your scalp. It's going to help you strengthen your hair follicle, and is also going to help you keep your scalp clean, because a healthy scalp promotes healthy hair growth. So guys, all you have to do is to combine your three ingredients together, then you go in with some hot water, leave it to infuse overnight, then the next day you go ahead and strain your spray. So after straining guys, you can go ahead and add your hair growth oil, or you add any essential oil of your choice into the spray. But I stopped adding oil into my spray because I discovered that it causes a lot of buildups, and water and oil, they don't really mix. So what I do is I use my spray on my hair, then after that I go in with my hair growth oil to just oil my scalp and massage my strand, and that is it guys. So if it works for you adding oil to your spray, go ahead and add any oil of your choice. But if it doesn't work, do the method which I just said right now guys.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
So guys, this is me applying the spray on my clean scalp. I am trying to prevent split ends, itchy scalp, and also promote longer and thicker hair guys. So you're not going to see the part where I oil my scalp, because I was actually going to film another hairspray treatment, so I did not bother to oil my scalp till I have filmed that second video. Then I'll just go ahead and oil my scalp and put my hair in a protective style guys. So I'm just applying this spray all over my scalp, my edges. Make sure you focus on your problem area, like if you're trying to grow your hairlines, or if you're having itchy scalp, make sure the spray ladders well into your scalp, and go ahead to give it a very good massage. Massaging your scalp promote blood circulation, which in turn promote healthy hair growth. So guys, spray this every day on your hair if you want to grow thicker and longer hair, and always take time to massage your scalp. Do not wash this treatment out, because this is a leave-in spray, so leave it on your hair for some time so that it can work on your problem area and give you great results guys. And if you're watching without subscribing, kindly click on that red subscribe button to be subscribed to the family, and do well to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified when I post a new hair video. Subscription is 100% free. You're not going to be charged any money for subscribing. Subscribing is just like following me, so you can get notification when I post new hair treatment video guys. So this year I am going to be doing a lot of hair growth challenge. I'm going to be combining many new ingredients together, because I have a target I want to meet at the end of 2023. Currently my hair is 10 inches. I want to try and retain length and also grow thicker hair. So I am going to be using 95% of natural remedy this 2023, and I'll use like 5% of store-bought product on my hair, because last year I used 75% of natural remedy and 30% of store-bought product, and I saw the great benefit I got from the natural remedies I was using. Before now I had a lot of split ends, my hair was always shedding, but ever since I started taking natural remedies serious, I've really seen my hair grow from weak looking hair to this very thick dark and healthy hair you're seeing right here. So if you want to grow your hair healthy this year, if you want to retain length, or if you want to grow your hair thicker, just click on that red subscribe button and do well to turn on your post notification so you'll be notified whenever I post any natural hair growth treatment, guys. Until I see you all in my next. Bye, guys.
Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.